something left to say, go on and say it. You got something left to prove, go ahead and prove it. You got something to explain, don't wait, now explain it. A mountain left to move, get up and move it. Don't think that just because you have years, don't think that just because you have tears, we don't care what you have to do, we don't care what you have to lose. You got something left to be, go on and be it. You got some left to see, open your heart and see it. You got a lion locked inside, unlock the cage and free it. You wanna learn to fly, spread your wings and be it. Don't think that just because you have years, don't think that just because you have tears, we don't care what you have to do, we don't care what you have to lose. No one knows how much time we might have left to see the signs. No one feels the risk is low, we all have fear, not one of us knows. So don't ever hide or hesitate, because it's never too late. No, it's never too late. It's not too late. It's never too late.